India follows a vibrant multi-party democratic system where political parties act as the primary link between citizens and governance to ensure fairness and uniformity in elections. The Election Commission of India regulates the registration and recognition of political parties based on electoral performance and geographical presence. Parties are recognized as national parties or state parties. National parties play a decisive role in shaping national policies, forming governments, and influencing federal relations, representing India's diverse political ideologies at the central level. National Party in India. A national party in India is a political party recognized by the Election Commission of India due to its significant electoral presence across multiple states or at the national level. Such recognition provides exclusive privileges, including a featured election symbol throughout the country, free airtime on public broadcaster, and consultation rights on electoral reforms. As of March 2024, India has 6 recognized national parties reflecting the competitive and plural nature of Indian democracy across regions and ideologies. Although in 1952, India had 14 national political parties which later lost their status for several regions. National Party in India criteria. A national party in India is recognized by fulfilling at least one of the officially prescribed electoral conditions. The criteria for a party to be recognized as national party include securing at least 6% valid votes in Lok Sabha or Assembly election in 4 states and winning 4 Lok Sabha seats, winning a minimum of 2% Lok Sabha seats from at least 3 different states, being recognized as a state party in 4 or more states. Recognition is reviewed periodically after 2 consecutive elections, not after every election. National Party in India list. Currently, there are 6 recognized national parties in India as per Election Commission's notification. Together, these parties represent diverse ideological positions ranging from left-wing socialism to right-wing nationalism. Recognized national political parties in India are Aam Aadmi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Indian National Congress, National People's Party. Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party emerged as a reform-oriented political force focused on governance, transparency, and welfare delivery. The election symbol of the party is broom. Founded on 26 November 2012 under the leadership of Arvind Kejriwal, originated from the anti-corruption movement advocating institutional accountability, recognized as a national party after electoral success in multiple states. The party currently governs the state of Punjab. Ideology combines welfare, governance, Indian nationalism, populism, and secularism. Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party represents political mobilization of historically marginalized community. The election symbol of the party is elephant. Founded on 14 April 1984 by Kasi Ram, currently led by Mayawati. Ideology rooted in Ambedkarism, social justice, and self-respect movement. Played a major role in Uttar Pradesh politics, including forming state governments. Retains national party status despite limited recent electoral presence. Holds representation mainly in state legislature with minimal parliamentary seats. Focuses on political empowerment of scheduled caste and backward communities. Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party is India's largest political party in terms of representation and governance. The election symbol of the party is lotus, established on 6 April 1918, led by J.P. Nadda. Ideology includes Hindutva, conservatism, nationalism, and economic reforms. Currently leads the union government and governs a majority of Indian states. Dominant force in coalition politics and policy formulation. A strong organizational structure and with nationwide presence and cadre-based mobilization. Communist Party of India Marxist. Communist Party of India Marxist represents left-wing ideology within India's parliamentary democracy. The election symbol of the party is Hammer, Sickle, and Star. Formed on 7 November 1964 after a split in the communist movement ideology based on Marxism, Leninism, socialism and secularism. The strong historical presence in West Bengal and Tripura currently governs Kerala and Tamil Nadu, maintaining relevance through social welfare policies, holds limited parliamentary representation, focuses on labor rights, land reforms and public sector expansion. Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress is the oldest political party in India and a foundational force in nation building. The election symbol of the party is palm. Founded on 28 December 1885, currently led by Mallikarjun Kharge, played a central role in India's freedom struggle and constitutional development. Ideology include secularism, social democracy, liberalism and inclusive growth. Has governed India for several decades after independence. Continues to be principal opposition party at the national level. National People's Party. National People's Party is a regional origin party with national recognition. The election symbol of the party is book. Founded on 6 January 2013 by P.A. Sangma, currently under Conrad Sangma. Ideology blends conservatism, regional aspiration and decentralization. Recognized as a national party due to state level presence in multiple regions. Governs Meghalaya and participates in coalition governments. Holds representation in Rajya Sabha and several state assemblies. Reflects growing political assertion of the Northeast in national politics. National Party in India significance. National Party in India recognition gives political parties uniform symbols, wider visibility, official privileges and stronger participation in election processes across India. The benefits and significance of recognition of national political party status are: national parties get one permanently reserved election symbol visible across all states even where they do not contest elections. Recognized parties receive free broadcast time on state-run television and radio, helping them reach voters equally. National parties can appoint up to 40 star campaigners, double the limit given to unrecognized political parties. They get access to electoral rolls and are consulted while fixing election dates and framing electoral rules.